In this video, I will show you how to create community group in WhatsApp Business. First of all, open the WhatsApp Business application. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version to access the community features. Once you are on the home screen, you will see three dots at top right corner. Tap on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Tap on the communities option. If you already have any community, they will appear here. Tap on view all under the community in which you want to add the group. Next, you will see the option of add group available at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it. On the next screen, you will see two options to add the group. If you want to add an existing group, then select the option add existing group. And the other option is create new group. Tap on it if you want to create and add a new group. After that, enter your new group's name. Then enter the group description for your community. You can also add a profile picture that represents your community. Once you are done with everything, tap on the tick box available here to create the group. The group will be created and added in the community. You can review your group and the community settings. And this is how you can create community group in WhatsApp Business.